Okay, we are back, doing back. Oh, still sore from doing legs a couple days ago. We are going to be doing a trap focused back workout. So we're going to, per usual, start off with bent over row. But then we're going to move into upright row. And then we'll do some high pulls. Maybe face pull, but I usually like doing a high pull because it still kind of gets the traps, but also a little mid back. And then we'll end off with some shrugs. Similar to the last day of these that I did, but last time I did the high pull and then the upright row. This time we're going to do the upright row and see if we can tick up a little bit in weight. So let's get started. Okay, we got our 135 warm up on there, per usual. We will do that, and then do a set of 185, and then we'll jump into 225 with straps. It is once again raining, so you'll be hearing rain. Rain will not go away, but that is okay. Alright, a little warm up set, wake the back up. Oh, chuck our 25s on there. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but the frogs are going crazy right now. It is once again late at night. Also, it's almost 9:30 right now. My wife and I were helping our brother and sister-in-law, or I should say her sister and brother-in-law, or my brother and sister-in-law, both, whatever. Helping them move today, and then had to do the Costco run, and do a couple things around the house, and then we chilled for a little while, ate some food. Now it's 9:30 at night. Perfect time to do a back workout. I just ate a little while ago, so I'm still digesting. Got a little belly action going on, but oh well, that is okay. I'd rather be fooded up and ready to rock than not have enough food. Alright, let's get this set. Okay, let's get right into the 225 action. Let's see, I'll load the weight up first. Hopefully the camera angle is okay. I might scooch it a little Just in case, that might be better. Get the straps on. Man, I really do get excited every time I get to use these things. They're truly incredible. Alright. Get my headphone in. We'll knock out this first set of 225. All right. Whew. 11. Oh, okay. Yeah, if we get another really good set like that, maybe do a third set of these. But yeah, we might even do a third set. No, I'll wait. Maybe I'll wait to go up until next time. We'll see. We'll see. We'll do this next set, see how we feel. But that felt pretty good. So, pretty excited about that. Oh. All right, almost ready. Definitely feel like I almost could have waited a little longer to digest my food a little more, but I mean, what am I supposed to wait until freaking 11 o'clock at night? I don't know. All right, here we go. Set number 2. Oh my goodness. Definitely felt like I was sacrificing some form on those last couple reps. But That is okay. I'm gonna do one more set of this and just try and do some really controlled sets. Really controlled reps at the beginning. Whew. 225 is already feeling a lot better than it did, though, I will say. A lot better. Pretty amazing. I mean, for the last time I did this, I was, really struggling to get 9 reps. Already went up in reps, and it just feels more comfortable on the body. So that is exciting. I'll probably go up again next time. Get a little more oxygen going. Switch my song here, and we'll do one more set. All right, here we go. Oh, now that was a good set. Oh, oh my goodness. Whew. Yeah, those first few reps were super controlled. Felt super good. So that was very acceptable for a last set. I'm very happy with that. Oh, alright. Get some of these plates off here and we'll move on to upright row. Okay. Upright row ready. We got 95 pounds on the bar, or on the rack. 95 total. Oh, what's proper to say? I guess on the bar is only 50 pounds because whatever. 95 pounds total. We're going to start with that and then see if we can creep up into the 100-pound territory. That would be very exciting to me. But we'll see how we do. Okay, we are definitely doing 100. I guess it'll be 105 because that was way too easy. Getting stronger. We are getting stronger, which is good. Chuck some 5s on here. Whew. And this would be a 105. Yeah, it is almost 9:45 at night, but it is warm. I am sweaty, which isn't such a bad thing, but man, wearing the sweats was almost a mistake. Oh well, there are worse things in the world. Before long, it'll be summertime again, and it'll be friggin' 100 degrees out here, so oh well. You just gotta love what you got. Alright. Put a little oxygen. Alright, here we go. 105. Whew. Yeah. You can feel the burn in that one. Oh my goodness. Again, hopefully the camera, camera angle should be fine. Eventually one day I'll get a camera where that has a little flip screen. You can actually see what the hell I'm looking at. But for now we got what we got. For now we got what we got. Alright. We'll get one more set of these. And then we'll move on to some high pull. And do a few good sets of high pull. Sounds like the rain has finally stopped for now. It's freaking pouring for most of the day again. Bunch of flood warning all over the place. There's a couple flooded spots. It's a lot of rain right now. Alright. Get this last set, we'll move on. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh man, it feels good to finally cross 100 pounds. The reps themselves didn't exactly feel beautiful, but I guess maybe that was just me. I guess I'll find out what they look like when I watch this back. Alright, we'll clean up the bar, get the cable ready, we'll do some high pull. Okay. Got the high pole ready. Got 100 pounds on the loading pin. Loading pin. I remember this time. 100 pounds on the loading pin. And we will crank out this first set. Really gonna try and focus on keeping my elbows up. Try and focus it in my traps as much as I can. Hold on, regrip. That was an excellent first set. Let's see, what did we do last time? 100 feels a little easy. We did go up to 105 last time. So let's do that. Try 105 on for size and see how that feels. And then maybe we'll try to go up to 110. Keep climbing. Keep on climbing. Oh, this did feel fantastic though, I will say. Oh. How are we doing on battery? Oh, we're doing all right. Should be enough to finish out these sets. Oh. Yeah. Eventually, sometime in the future, I'll get a better camera that one has a little screen and two has a battery that will last. That would be nice. It's like that's my only complaint really about having to film a workout, or not having, but choosing to film workouts is having to stop and swap a battery. I don't even really mind moving the camera around and figuring out angles. I think that part's kind of fun. But having to swap a battery to me is mildly frustrating. Mildly frustrating. Mild salsa. Okay. Let's get our next set. 105. Okay. Let's try 110. Might have been letting the elbows drop a little bit on that, but I think I brought it back. Brought it back around by the end. That was a little loud, sorry. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this will be our last set of these, I think. How are we doing on time? Yeah, we're at 33 minutes through the workout, which is not bad at all. Grab these dumbbells here and we'll get the dumbbells ready to start loading plates on them. Would eventually like to get a trap bar too, so we can do some better shrugs and some different deadlifts. But with time. They're weirdly expensive. They really are. Okay. Get the set at 110. This will be the heaviest high pull we've done here. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh. 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 This rope is taking quite a long time to break in, and I feel like my grip still slips. It's not like that perfectly worn in rope at the gym. This is taking a little while to warm its way up to being comfortable in the hands, but we'll get there with time. This is better than it wearing out too fast. I guess there's that. Trying to decide if I want to do one more of those. Should we do one more? We did do an extra set of bent over row today, but normally I only did 3 sets of upright row. Fuck it, we'll do one more set. Got plenty of fuel in me right now. We'll try and burn some of it up. I do feel like I'm starting to digest a little, which is great. Starting to feel energized. I think we'll stay at, what are we at, 110? Yeah, we'll stay at 110. And wait until next time to go up anymore. Alright. Some oxygen. Here we go. Yeah. That was just fine. Whew. Okay. Whew. Alright. I'm gonna get that cleaned up, move some things around. We'll load up the dumbbells and do some shrugs. Okay. Got our shrugs ready. We have 75-pound dumbbells here. Pretty much damn near every standard plate I have. Eventually we'll have to get some more or get a trap bar. And by the time you buy weights, they're so freaking expensive right now, I might as well just get the trap bar and use the Olympic plates that I have. But for the time being, we will use these 75-pound dumbbells, which should do the job just fine. So here we go. Oh yeah, that was excellent. Let's see what I did. Did I get up to 75 last time? I did. Yeah. Eventually we'll have to get the trap bar. I don't like doing them with, I don't really like doing them with the barbell. I just don't feel like I get the same quality of pinch at the top. You know, is what it is. Is what it is. It is okay. Yeah. 45 minutes into this workout, we are almost done here. Oh, my goodness. Alright. Let's go ahead and get another set of these. Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh. Holy mackerel. I'm starting to lose the grip strength on that, but still have it. Definitely don't want to drop those on my foot or anything. Oh. Oh, goodness. Okay. See, do we do one more of those? Could do one more of those, or I could break off and do some rear delt, which almost sounds nice. Sculpt the rear delts. I haven't hit rear delts last couple workouts. Always try to squeak them in everywhere I can. Do we? Yeah, I think that the traps feel pretty good at the moment. 2 sets of shrugs is probably all anyone really needs anyways. Yeah, let me break these back down to 20s. We'll end off with some rear delt flies. Here comes the rain again too. Alright, here we go. Alright. Got the dumbbells broken back down into 20s. Which is what I like to use, nice and light for rear delts. And we'll knock out a couple sets of these and then we'll be done. Oh my God. Tell you what, if I keep having sets like that with these, I will have to go up in weight, but I'd really rather not force it. I would really rather not force it. Almost wish I had like, you know, little cookie weights, like so I could go up like just a couple pounds at a time, but that's okay. I'd rather honestly do more reps with these anyways, because I feel like they are, you know, it's more of a health and sculpting exercise than anything versus like a serious mass exercise. I feel like if you really start trying to pack the weight on and force it, then you're not really doing the job like you should be. Alright. Do one more set of these and then we'll be done. We are already well into done territory. Alright, here we go. Alright, that is going to be it. I am pretty tired after that. Came in well fueled, but we burnt a lot of fuel too, so good workout. Stoked on the bent over row, sculpting the traps a bit. It's good. Now I'm going to clean up in here, per usual, head inside, do some cardio.